In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and move audio in CapCut PC. If you need to clean up a voiceover, trim out a pause, or retime a sound effect so it lines up perfectly with your visuals, this walkthrough will guide you through the essentials clearly and quickly. Start by looking at your timeline and identifying the audio track you want to edit. Click directly on that audio clip, so CapCut knows that's the one you're working with. You'll see a vertical line on the timeline, often called the playhead. This line marks the exact frame where any edit will happen. Move the playhead to the precise moment where you want to make your first cut. Take your time to place it accurately. Even a small shift can change how natural the edit sounds. Once it's right where you need it, press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. That command slices the audio into two separate pieces at the playhead. Next, you'll remove the unwanted section. Move the playhead just past the mistake, silence, or extra sound you don't need. Again, make sure it's placed exactly where you want the clean audio to continue. Press Ctrl+B one more time. Now your audio is split into three parts: the good section before the issue, the middle chunk you want to remove, and the good section after. Click the middle chunk to select it, and press the delete key on your keyboard. That removes the unwanted audio, leaving a clean gap where the mistake used to be. With the problem section gone, you can adjust timing to match your visuals. Click and hold the remaining audio clip you want to reposition, then drag it left or right along the same track. As you slide, watch the waveforms and the picture on screen to help you align important beats, words, or sound cues with the action. Dragging is non-destructive, which means you're not changing the audio's content, just its placement on the timeline, so you can fine-tune it until it feels perfectly in sync. As you align your clip, aim for natural rhythm. For dialogue, match starts of sentences with key visual moments. For sound effects, line up the spike in the waveform with the exact point of impact or movement on screen. When it looks right, you're set. That's all you need to cut unwanted sections and reposition audio with confidence. Perfect audio timing and clean cuts in seconds. You're all set. Done.